It's so hard to be on YouTube and you don't have staff. So you do everything. I'm the director, the editor, the light director, whatever the director is, the manager, the producer, the actress, the model, the everything. Hair and makeup. So, action. Today's video, I'll show you how I fix this poor thing from this to this. Isn't she pretty? Hi there. How are you guys holding up this quarantine? But first of all, I hope you guys are well. You know, stay strong, don't give up. This is just a phase in life that we have to survive. And there's always another day. If you're gonna ask me, you know, I did a lot of crazy stuff. I went really crazy this past few days. I've been spending so much, eating so much, binge watching on Netflix. And what else? I ate so much trash. Oh my god, you can't imagine. It's very unhealthy. I gained 3 kilos. Actually, since last year of October, I started eating again. So I gained, so from October last year up to now, there was a time I reached 49 point something kilos. So before October, I was 43 kilos. You know, when Burr months comes, birthdays coming, holidays are coming, so much pork and unhealthy things. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm on liquid diet. I'm trying to lose weight. My goal is 43. Hopefully I'll be able to make it. You know, liquid diet is really difficult. There's no soft diet. It's just really liquid. Soft is not considered liquid diet. Like your porridge, your soup can be considered as liquid. It really is difficult. That's another topic. Better watch out my YouTube video about my weight loss journey with liquid diet. I will link it down below in the future, so better watch out. You better not cry, I'm telling you why. Also, I was doing a lot of unconscious, crazy waste of money in shopping. I'm very much guilty. Like, I spent my extra money last month and kind of abused my credit card lately. So I don't really need the stuff that I bought recently, and one of those is this LV mini papillon bag. This Louis Vuitton thing it's gorgeous and it's small. Look how small that is. It's like the size of my face. Oh yeah, my face is a little bit longer, I believe. Oh, actually. It really is small. It's perfect for nighttime, maybe. Just your lipstick and your credit card with some cash and coins, if you have coins. So this is the problem of the bag. I was too crazy that I bought a second-hand bag. It's just that second-hand. It's not in good condition. The straps are detached. I mean, it's not detached from the body, but they're detached to each other, as you can see. And there is some signs of usage also. Right here, can you see that? There's just like, oh yeah, there you go. And right here too. See that? Signs of usage. You know, if I was the owner of this bag, this wouldn't be like this. Not even close. I'm just saying. Let me show you the inside. I hope you can see it. This is made in France. Oh Jesus, where are you? Can you see it? It's not focusing. Maybe I should like. Okay, that's made in France, and the code, where's the code? The code is somewhere down the road. Oh my gosh, the code is missing. Where is it? Oh my gosh. Oh, the code is here. I just had to look at that photo because I know there was a code. It's right next to the zipper. Oh, Jesus. I think this is the one. The code is right behind the zipper and you can't see it. There's no way you can see it. So the code is AR. I'll just look at the photo. AR0931. Okay. I don't know why I have to say that, but I guess I have to. I think FP leather is, and what do you call that? Like is this a scratch-free kind of leather? I mean, it's not a scratch, but if it's scratch-free, it should also be a signs of usage kind of free, you know. So the inside is perfect. I'm happy with it. It's just the straps. I was thinking actually to buy, what was it called? Oh, I forgot. Let me just Google it quickly. Here are the ingredients. Sandpaper, spatula, scissors just in case, and your glue. For this tutorial, I'll be using shoe glue. You can use egg coat or vinyl, whatever you think is much more effective. But first thing that I will do is to completely detach the straps to each other. I just needed to be very careful. I'm not sure if this was repaired before, but I don't think Louis Vuitton would actually do this. And by the way, just to let you know, this bag is 100% original. It's just secondhand, and I'm not sure. I actually didn't ask if this has been repaired before. Now we just have to carefully look how it was stick together. It's not even aligned. Probably this person did also a DIY. Oh, the glue is really thick on this side. Let me see if I could break it. Okay. We're going somewhere. Oh. Okay, let me just keep that and just work on my way here on the other side. Ooh, it's scary. I'm afraid that I'm going to completely break it. Okay, this side is okay, quite strong. I don't know how they fix this thing. These are the progress. I was able to open the bottom part of the right side, and on the top, and this one is kind of hard. The glue is really thick on this side. If you are thinking that I should buy an edge coat it's like a protective glue. This is an edge coat, this black. As you can see, there's no, I think there's a minimal edge coat on the straps. If I make it like this, then it looks like fake. And if I stitch it, it looks like more fake. So I'll just have to work on this. I'm getting pissed right now. Like, I just hate the first owner. How she fixed it? Like, duh, no brainer. I'm just gonna do everything that I can to fix the bag, and hopefully, fingers crossed. Whew. it will come out well.
The sides are really rough. I'm not sure if you can see that. The sides are not really pretty, so I might have to use, so we'll see. I'll just wait for the glue to dry. I'll wait till next day and I'll show you guys the finished product. The edge coat is already dry, so I'm taking off the paper clips. I'll show you the finished product. They're dry now, so I can take these off. Again, all the products that I use for this DIY, I'll link it all down below in the description box. Please check it out. And after her 24 hours operation, here she is. Ta-da! She is pretty again. She's not perfect, you know. She have a little scar, but I was able to fix her. I applied a good amount of edge coat. So far it looks good. I really don't want to apply, but I don't have a choice. It looks really, really bad. You can see you can see some mistakes that I've done. Some just, you know, I just put way over the strap, but it's all right. Well, I just have to deal with it. But so far it looks good. If you have any bags that you want me to repair, slide in my DM. I'll fix it for ya. And of course, I'll send you the invoice. I hope you've learned something from this DIY. And since you're already here, might as well hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, guys. See you. Ooh.